catch, man. You drop the catch, man. Come on, man. Look at this shit.
This is Vybz Kartel, and I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
Nigga, we're all in Jamaica looking for help. What the fuck you mean? Where are we?
Take his microphone and usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out.
Look, this is where we are. We are in the rubbles. We are in the ruckus with the people them. That is where we are. That is how King should operate. Hey, man, nah lie, the dog make up. I probably it's a 3-minute blood clot clip, you know. Oh, see it done. I know it's finally done to us.
I watch the documentary. They are work from man. Right now we are clear all our debris so the road can clear so people can.
All right, so jury, chat, looking at all what we just saw right here. Tell the God Almighty truth, man. Who is the king of dancehall? With everything we are saying, so nah, me not gonna lie, bro. Me not gonna lie, bro. Me I look for everything and me I analyze everything still. As a king, you have to out there from Shirley. Being him and out there from Shirley, no lie. Zine. You have to out there and make sure say the people them, you see me I say, feel like say you feel the pain too. Being it out there make the people them feel the pain. Make him feel the pain too. You understand what I say? Me nah lie, dog. Looking at it right now, I be in the man I king, man. Yo, deal. I don't know if I saw go on with beat the man in the dog, but it's a backlog go on. It's like a silent war go on now. But to body now, they see them use all of this hurricane relief thing and this give back thing. I be a style go on, you know. I be a mind games.